Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Ecomi was the first video that I made in 2023, and this is the follow-up video because I'm predicting a massive year for Ecomi, and let me explain why, right? And I'm going to give you the cold facts, so none of this is going to be purely from my opinions, purely from my feelings, etc. We're going to base it on analysis, we're going to base it on hard facts, we're going to base it on fundamentals, etc. So guys, get ready for one of the biggest updates of the year. Now, for all of you that are new to this channel, the first thing that I want you to do is like, comment and subscribe, and as always, click the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date with all my recent videos. Remember guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice, so always make sure to do your own independent research. And with that being said, pause the video, click the link in my description and join the Telegram group so you can stay up to date with all my recent updates, news updates, technical updates, and much more. And when you join the Telegram group, we actually have a $5,000 giveaway, so scroll up and find out how you can get involved in that. Now let's get straight into it guys. So first thing we're going to start off with is today, right? So Bitcoin, pretty much the entire market is having a surge in momentum. We're seeing the overall market cap go above that $778 billion market cap value, but you'll notice pretty much all altcoins are in the green. At least coins that are in the top 10 are all green apart from Ecomi. That has remained stagnant for the day, currently down 0.17%. So I know you're probably thinking, well, this isn't convincing, this isn't a good start. Are we going to see Ecomi lag behind as it did in 2022? Now, the first thing that I want to show you guys is this. Let's go to the cold facts. Historically, guys, now historically, remember, we can only go by what's happened before, using that to determine, and of course it's not guaranteed that it will predict where price will go again, but it does give us some outlook and perspective. So in 2020, in Q1, the first quarter, Ecomi achieved minus 20.41%. In 2021, 3.52, over 3,500%. In 2022, down 55%, 55.83% for the first quarter period. 2023 is blank. We're about to find out. Now, the average so far is just over 1,000%. I personally believe we're going to see this green, right? I believe we will see this green this first quarter, and that's what we're going to be preparing for. Now, Ecomi currently is down 94% from its all-time highs, and its all-time high date was on March 19th, 2021. I know all of you watching this, if you have been subscribed to this channel for a while, will remember those glory days and how excited we all were about the project, right? But we're currently at $203 million market cap from where we are now. What gives us the confidence that we are going to bounce back? Now, firstly, I'm going to start off with the negative we'll start off with the positive highlights, right? Again, we're going to look at stats. Positive highlights. Positive performance compared to token sell price. 16 green days in the last 30 days, so 53%. Risk analysis, however, price dropped significantly over the past year, down 86%, outperformed by 73% of the top 100 crypto assets in 1 year, outperformed by Bitcoin and Ethereum, trading below 200-day simple moving average, down 94% from all-time highs, has low liquidity based on its market cap, less than 32% of the total supply is in circulation, not trading with fiat currencies, yearly inflation rate is 45%. Now, guys, you're like, is this a video that's meant to give us a positive outlook? Is this a video that is meant to get me happy? Because I'm not happy as it stands, right? This doesn't give me confidence, but this is why it should, because it's presented us with an opportunity. The reason why Ecomi achieved this phenomenal over 3,000% gain in 2021 is because price was already super low, right? Price was already very cheap. And what we have with Ecomi is the same, right? This year we have the same. We're basically starting off lower than we did in 2021, which presents us with another opportunity to maximize over 1,000 plus percentage gains. Now, firstly, guys, let me tell you why you should be excited as well. Is because if you're new to this project, I want you guys to do your research on the community itself, right? Because we have a super strong community over here, super strong community, right? And I'll show you guys how fast the community has been growing. But not only that, guys, is so much progress has been made since 2021. I mean, really and truly, this momentum that we saw was purely based on the overall bullish sentiment of the overall market, right? But now we actually have things that make this project super solid. Therefore, really and truly, we should see double the rally that we saw in 2021. Now, I'm not going to go as far and say that will happen. As I said to you before, I personally would be happy with a percentage gain of over 500% in the first quarter. Now, yes, I'll be super happy with that. That would bring us around this area here, or maybe just below, We'll look at the charts shortly. Let me just get the charts up quickly so I can show you guys. But we should be excited, right? Especially if you're someone that's a newcomer to this project, or you're someone that maybe didn't even have a huge bag back then, or you're someone that is just looking for an opportunity to DC at the start of this year, right? So let me just show you guys the chart, plain and simple. So this is what personally I would look forward to. Let me just go on the weekly time frame for you guys. Again, very choppy chart here. Let's just see if I can find another chart. The Ascendex chart, for some reason, is no longer there. But anyway, we'll use the Gate.io, right? So let's have a look. So Q1, and obviously I've mentioned, why and how this would happen. Watch the first ever video that I made at the start of the year. But 400 to 500% is what we can look forward to in the first quarter. And in fact, guys, I want to make it perfectly clear, that is pretty standard. I mean, we're just basically averaging over 100% a month. We're saying, okay, let's say we end this month around 30%, 40%, maybe even less, and then obviously we can maybe achieve over 200% in 1 month, or etc. It's very reasonable in crypto. So nothing that I'm saying now is unrealistic or out of the ordinary, guys. But let me tell you exactly how we achieve this, right? With us being at such a low level, with all the odds, all of the data against Omi, with the product down 94%. The only way is up now, right? And that's the exciting part. So what do we need for us to really see a positive 20? We'll focus on the first quarter first, and then we'll move forward, right? We don't want to, let's not talk about the entire 2023. Let's focus on the Q1 and then move on, right? So what do we need to happen? All we need is bullish sentiment in the market. That's it. That's the be and end all, guys. I mean, even without any updates. And also for you newcomers, I want you to understand this project is not yet on Binance. This project is not yet on KuCoin. This project is not yet on Coinbase. This project is not on any major exchange as of yet, right? So we still all have all of that to look forward to, right? So if you include those factors, maybe one announcement of a major exchange listing, that will also help us move up in value, right? Any new major partnerships, right? That will help this project move up in value. So this project is going to be very sensitive to data, and with a lot of the value already wiped away, the bottom is basically in for Omi, which means this presents us with the opportunity to complete our trend of a positive first quarter, and we should see this green, right? So let's wait and see. I think this is going to be around a 400 to 500%, number. Personally, 1,000% would be great, but I'm not going to go as far and say that. But what we do need, guys, and I want you to understand me, we do need overall positive market sentiment. Without that, then like I said, maybe we do 40% or nothing exciting, right? So we do need overall bullish sentiment, which I am predicting. Now, before I wrap up this video, guys, as you all know, we are doing that $5,000 giveaway. You could check my community page on how you can be a part of that, or you can join the Telegram group. Also, a step-by-step list how you could be a part of that as well. And for those of you that would like to really take your crypto journey serious this year, I'm urging you all to join Crypto Crew Premium. Now we're going to do more in-depth analysis on Ecomi itself and other coins. We also gave out our first ever AI crypto project in history, right? That will probably be our first over 1,000x gem. So super excited about that. Crypto Crew Premium is where you want to be, guys. Super affordable, super cheap, but the upside is so huge. See you guys a little later. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, as always, seize the day. Happy New Year, guys. Let's crush it.